Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel, Jish with Anurag. This is my third video of speaking English practice. I am here shooting videos, and it's morning. It's Monday today. Kushi has gone to her school, and my sister and mother are cooking food. They are cooking lunch, and I have had tea, and it's been half an hour. I was trying to record my video, and I got failed most of the time. Sometimes I spoke something, wrong, and it was, very bad. But right now, I'm doing that. And also, I'm not so confident in front of camera of my phone. But when I do this daily, I'll be confident. For speaking, you can do one thing. You can, like you are standing or sitting somewhere, describe the things that are in front of you and in your background where you are sitting, where you are right there, right that time. Name that things. You may not know all the things name. Like we don't know every vocabulary, so you can search on Google. So that would upgrade your vocabulary and help you to learn. And it's not like a day will come you will start speaking long sentences. You have to start from a single word. You have to start from small sentences, small phrases, and that will help you to speak. Before this, I also used to think about this, that I when I will speak, when I will able to speak long sentences, then I'll speak. But when I try to speak, I could not speak even a small word, even small phrases, because I didn't practice. And now I'm practicing. Now I am getting confidence. And right now I am in my garden. Like me, you can also repeat after me. Right now I am in my garden, and you can see this is a wall, and there are so many trees. There is banana trees, many banana trees, and this is a tree, and those are buffaloes, and this wall is made of bricks. So brick is a small unit of a wall of a house. And whenever you are doing any action like having tea, walking with your dog, whatever, you have to describe that action in English. That would help you to think in English. You probably you have seen so many videos on YouTube how to think in English. They will tell you this method, and this really works because I have practiced with this method, and I know it really works. And before this, I could not think in English. Right now, I am able to think in English a little bit. So that I am speaking. It's been 6 or 7 minutes. I'm speaking English in only English. I know already there are so many problems. There are so many mistakes in my English. I have so many mistakes, but I'm speaking English. You also can say. So, how did I do that? I did all that with that method. You are a beginner, so you should start from, if you're a beginner, you should start from watching a cartoon like Peppa Pig and Katuri, etc. You can search on YouTube. They will help you to speak English and repeat after them. Whenever they are doing any action, repeat after them multiple times. Pause the video, speak that sentences multiple times, and then and get into this habit of doing this method. And after a week, if you're doing that consistently, you'll see a huge difference in your speaking, in your English proficiency. I'll take you to my plants that I have grown. I like gardening. Gardening is one of my hobbies. I like gardening. This is a plant. These are so many leaves. Leaves. It's a leaf. It's a leaf, and this is a gourd. Um, right now, I think I can't recall this its name. Probably you can. Well, if you know what is this, so tell me in comments so that I get to know what it is. Well, I am wearing a t-shirt, and this is my collar mic. This is wireless. I bought this from me, so right now I'm also getting stuck. But I have sentences in my mind. I start speaking them. I don't know from where you're watching my video. If you are interested, so please tell me. I want to know. I'm completing this video. That's all for today. Let's meet in another video. And if you are liking my content, so please support me, guys. I need support all of you.